In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up royalties and NFT collection in OpenSea. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go in OpenSea Studio, how to choose the correct collection, and how to set creator earnings and payout wallets with confidence. Quick note before we start, royalties, often called creator earnings, apply to secondary sales, and their enforcement can vary across marketplaces. So think of this as configuring your preferred settings on OpenSea. Begin by heading to OpenSea.io in your browser. Make sure you're signed in and your wallet is connected to the same network as your collection. If you have multiple wallets, connect the one that owns or manages the collection you plan to edit. This ensures you have the right permissions to change earnings settings. On the left side, click Studio. Studio is your control center for collections. It's where you'll find tools for creating, organizing, and editing collections, including the section for royalties. If you don't see it, expand the sidebar or scroll a bit. It's usually toward the top. From here, choose the collection you want to update. In our example, you might see a collection like Diamond listed. Click into it, then select the specific collection tile you're working with, such as Dog NFT, to open the collection dashboard and access its settings. Next, go to Creator Earnings. This is where you define how much you earn on eligible secondary sales and where those funds are sent. It's a good idea to have your target percentage and payout addresses ready before you begin. Click Creator Fee and set the percentage you want to receive. Many creators choose a modest rate to balance collector incentives and ongoing revenue, but the right number depends on your strategy. Remember, policies evolve, and some marketplaces may treat creator fees as optional, so set an amount that makes sense while staying competitive. Now, click Recipient Wallet Address. Paste the wallet that should receive payouts. Double check the address character by character. A small typo can send earnings to the wrong place. Consider using a dedicated payout wallet or a secure multi-sig. If your collection spans multiple chains, verify that the address format matches the chain. If you want to split earnings among collaborators, click the option that says you want to add another wallet, then select Add New. Enter the additional wallet and assign its share. Make sure your splits add up correctly across all recipients and keep a simple record of who receives what for bookkeeping and tax purposes. When you're satisfied, review everything carefully. OpenSea may guide you to confirm changes. After updating, monitor your first resale to verify that earnings route correctly. You can always return to Studio to adjust percentages or recipients as your project evolves. That's it. You've set up royalties for your NFT collection on OpenSea.